Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the Allure specification. So this is our current Rifter demonstrator. It's got 16-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. You also get a smartphone charging plate and there's speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 1,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.